How to add Apple Pay to Uber Eats. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can add Apple Pay to Uber Eats. For this, launch open the Uber Eats app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install this. Then make sure to sign into your account. Now, if you want to add Apple Pay to Uber Eats, simply tap on the account option at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now from here, select Wallet. Here you will have the payment methods section. Go ahead and tap on add payment methods. Now from this list you want to select the Apple Pay option. Now enable that. Follow the on-screen prompts in the app in order to add Apple Pay to your Uber Eats account. Now if you do not see the Apple Pay option over here, you want to make sure that Apple Pay Cash is enabled in your device. You also want to add a valid credit or debit card to your Apple Pay account. Now, after you have added Apple Pay to Uber Eats, you can use your Apple Pay to pay for an order. All you want to do is head over to your baskets after you have selected your items. Tap on the Continue option. Now, in the payment method section, you will find Apple Pay. Go ahead and select that. After that, you want to tap on the Place Order option. And in this way, you will be able to use Apple Pay to pay for your order. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.